Salams and welcome to brain lesson number 56. Here's a question for you. How do you eat an elephant? Have you ate an elephant? I don't know about you. I have never ate an elephant before. How do you eat an elephant? How do you braai it? How do you catch an elephant? Okay, I love my biryani or samosas. Akni I don't like so much. Okay, biryani, samosas, prawn curry and rice, king club with rice and extra lemon butter sauce. What about an elephant? How do you eat an elephant? I'm not talking about a rhino. I'm not talking about a giraffe. I'm not talking about a sheep or a cow. How do you eat an elephant? Okay, the elephant is a metaphor for how do you go about solving a big task. If you got a big task to do, you got so much work to study, or clean out your office, or clean out the house, and all of a sudden it seems so insurmountable. There's so much things to do. So here you are walking in the jungle. You're walking in the in the plains of the Serengeti, or you're walking in the Kalahari Desert, or you're walking in the Okavango Delta, and you come across an elephant. How do you eat it? Two ways. First, you cut it into small pieces. That's the first way. Don't try and eat the whole elephant at one go. You first cut the elephant into very, 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 very small pieces. So that's the first thing. That's why you got a fork and a knife. So you must use your tools at your disposal. If you got a big office project to do, break up the task into different sections to say, okay, I want to write a book with 45 chapters. So don't say 45 chapters. No, start with chapter 1, then chapter 2, then chapter 3. See what you can allocate your task. If you're going to clean out your whole house, don't say this garage is in such a mess. Where do I start? No. You said, okay, I'm going to start in that. You always divide the garage or the room into 4 quadrants. You say, okay, I'm going to start with corner number 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, I will only concentrate on corner number 1. You finish just a quarter of the room. That's all. Leave the rest of it alone. The next day you come, you finish the next quarter. The next day you come, you finish the next quarter. The next day come, you finish the next quarter. So the first thing is, the first way of how do you eat an elephant, how do you tackle a big task, is to break it up into small pieces. The second way, how do you eat an elephant? You can't eat an elephant by yourself. What do you need? You need people. You need to have a buffet. Call people. Come, I've got an elephant. Let's eat together. That means if you've got a big task, teamwork. Call your family. Call your friends. If you want to clean out the garage, or if you want to clean out the garden, you want to clean out the house, say, please, I need help. It's called teamwork. Let us say you do a school project. You can't just do it on your own. Get all the students together. Get everyone together. And as we know, team, T-E-A-M. Together, everyone achieves more. So now you know how to eat an elephant. Okay? So please, thank you for all your encouraging comments. So the way to eat an elephant is, firstly, you share it, break it up into small pieces. Secondly, you call all your family people to encourage them to say, come, please help us out. That's teamwork. And please remember, this is part of our brain series on how to use the human brain. I don't know about you, but I was not taught about the human brain in school. So I studied about the human brain, and now I'm sharing the lessons about the human brain. Please share it with your children, your grandchildren, with everyone. And please, let's see how we can use this human brain to make our life that much more easier. Stay well. And remember, this is lesson number 56. How do you eat an elephant? Small pieces and teamwork. Stay well.